Change gear for metric. Gap bed. Aloris tool post. Late model. NEWALL readout. Sometimes in these videos it doesn't capture the it almost looks like it's the readout's kind of wonky, but it's not. You can, in the eyeball it all looks, it's not flashing. I don't know if it appears that way on the video or not. Here's your thread dial, and there's your steady rest. Late model chuck on here too, 3-jaw. I don't know if that's the, I don't know if that was the, it's like a 12.5-inch chuck. Looks like it's got about at least a 3-inch through hole on that chuck. And it's a 2 1/16 through hole on a lathe. And it's all solid cast, heavy duty. I'd say the weight on this is at least 7,500 pounds. So thank you for watching.